Filing a dispute on Venmo is essential when you encounter unauthorized transactions or issues with a payment. Here's how to do it. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account. Locate the transaction. Tap on the three lines icon in the top left corner to access the menu. Select Activity to view your recent transactions. Find the transaction you want to dispute. Select the transaction. Tap on the specific transaction to view its details. You will see options related to the payment, including a button labeled Need Help or Report. File the dispute. Tap the Need Help or Report option. You'll be presented with several reasons for your dispute, such as unauthorized transaction, item not received, or item not as described. Select the appropriate reason and follow the prompts to provide additional information. Submit the dispute. After entering the necessary details, submit your dispute. Venmo will review your claim and notify you of the outcome via email or app notification. Follow up. Keep an eye on your email and the app for updates regarding your dispute. If needed, you can reach out to Venmo support for additional assistance.